What if the biggest turning point in your financial life doesn't happen at $1 million, but much earlier than most people expect? Most people assume wealth begins when you reach six figures or when your income suddenly jumps. But in reality, something powerful starts happening long before that. There's a quiet financial threshold where stress begins to leave, and decisions become clearer, and money starts working differently for you. Why everything changes even more after $20,000. Let's explore what happens once you reach that milestone. Because after that point, the way you think about spending, saving, and planning for the future begins to shift in ways most people never anticipate. And the people who recognize this change early are often the ones who steadily move ahead financially while others remain stuck trying to catch up. Number one, you finally have real financial safety. So your decisions become calmer and smarter. When you reach a meaningful savings milestone like $20,000, something subtle begins to change in the way you approach everyday decisions. Before that point, many financial choices are shaped by pressure. There's a constant awareness that a single mistake or unexpected event could create serious consequences. But once you build a real financial cushion, that pressure begins to fade. You know there's money sitting quietly in the background that can absorb shocks if life suddenly becomes unpredictable. Because of that, the sense of urgency that used to guide every decision starts to disappear. This creates something incredibly valuable: mental clarity. Instead of reacting emotionally to situations, you begin thinking more carefully about the choices in front of you. You pause before committing to something new. You weigh risks more calmly. And you start prioritizing long-term outcomes instead of reacting to short-term pressure. Over time, this changes the way you move through the world. Opportunities feel easier to evaluate because you're not operating from fear. You can take a moment to think, analyze, and choose what actually aligns with your goals. Financial safety doesn't mean life suddenly becomes perfect. Challenges will always appear, and there will always be moments that test your judgment. The difference is that you're no longer making decisions under constant pressure. Your decisions become calmer and smarter because you know you're protected. Instead of feeling cornered by your finances, you begin guiding them with intention. And once that confidence settles in, you start realizing that real financial progress isn't only about how much money you have. It's about the stability that allows you to think clearly and move forward with purpose. Number two, emergencies stop controlling your life. Before building a savings cushion, unexpected expenses can feel overwhelming. A car repair, a medical bill, or even a short gap between paychecks can create immediate stress because there isn't much room to absorb the impact. When money is tight, every surprise feels like a crisis. A single problem forces you to rearrange everything else. Plans get delayed, goals get pushed aside, and financial progress stalls because you're constantly reacting to whatever appears next. But once you reach a stronger savings position, those situations begin to look very different. The same unexpected events still happen, but they no longer dominate your life. A repair becomes an inconvenience instead of a disaster. A medical bill becomes a problem to solve rather than a financial shock. This change creates a powerful shift in perspective. Instead of fearing surprises, you start treating them as normal parts of life that your financial plan can handle. You're no longer forced into quick decisions or desperate solutions. You simply address the situation, use the resources you've prepared, and move forward. Over time, this stability creates momentum. Your financial progress stops resetting every time something unexpected happens. Instead of constantly rebuilding from zero, you continue moving forward because your foundation remains intact. That sense of preparedness is one of the most underrated benefits of saving. Most people spend years hoping nothing goes wrong. But when you have a financial buffer, you stop relying on hope. You rely on preparation. And that preparation turns everyday uncertainty into something manageable. Sign 3, you gain the power to say no. When your finances are fragile, saying no can feel almost impossible. You may stay in a job that drains your energy, accept opportunities that don't truly benefit you, or tolerate situations that slowly wear you down. The reason is simple. When money is tight, stability feels too risky to challenge. But once you've built a meaningful financial cushion, your relationship with work and opportunity begins to change. You realize that you're no longer forced to accept every option that appears in front of you. You have breathing room. That breathing room creates independence. If a job becomes toxic, you know you have time to find something better instead of feeling trapped. If an opportunity doesn't align with your goals, you can step away without worrying about immediate financial consequences. This ability to pause and choose carefully becomes incredibly valuable. Many people rush into decisions because they feel pressure to secure income quickly. But when you have savings behind you, you can evaluate situations more clearly. You start asking better questions. Does this opportunity support the direction you want your life to move in? Will this decision create long-term value or simply solve a short-term problem? Having the power to say no doesn't mean you become careless with money or work. It means you become more selective about what deserves your time and energy. And that selectiveness often leads to better outcomes. Because the strongest financial decisions rarely come from urgency. They come from clarity. Once you have that clarity, you realize something important. Financial freedom doesn't begin when you can buy anything you want. It begins when you're no longer forced to accept things you don't. Sign 4, your stress about money drops dramatically. For many people, financial stress sits quietly in the background of everyday life. Even when things appear stable, there's often a lingering worry about what might happen if something goes wrong. What if an unexpected expense appears? What if income slows down? What if a sudden change disrupts the plan you've been relying on? These questions create a constant level of tension that many people carry for years without fully realizing it. But when you build a savings cushion, especially once you reach $20,000, that tension begins to ease. You know that setbacks are still possible, yet they no longer feel overwhelming because you prepared for them. Instead of imagining worst-case scenarios, you begin focusing on realistic solutions. You understand that even if something difficult happens, you have time and resources to respond. That understanding creates a profound sense of stability. You sleep better. You think more clearly. Your financial decisions become less emotional because fear is no longer guiding every choice. It's important to recognize that this doesn't come from unlimited wealth. It comes from having enough protection to absorb life's normal uncertainties. And for many people, $20,000 becomes the point where that protection finally feels real. With that protection in place, you start seeing money differently. It stops feeling like a constant source of pressure and begins acting as a tool that supports your life. And that change in perspective is powerful. Because once you realize you can survive setbacks, you stop fearing every possibility. You simply prepare for them, handle them when they arrive, and continue moving forward with confidence. Sign 5, you begin protecting your savings instead of constantly rebuilding it. Before reaching $20,000, saving money often feels like starting over again and again. You put some money aside, then something happens, and suddenly the progress disappears. A setback arrives, and the account you worked so hard to build slowly drains until you're back where you started. This cycle is exhausting. It can make saving feel pointless because every step forward seems temporary. But once your savings reach a stronger level, something important begins to change. Around $20,000, your account stops feeling fragile. Instead of being a small cushion that disappears easily, it starts acting like a real foundation. Because of that, your mindset shifts. Instead of focusing on rebuilding savings every time life throws something unexpected your way, you begin thinking about protecting what you've already built. You become more intentional with your financial decisions. You start asking yourself whether a purchase is worth dipping into something that took time and discipline to create. That simple pause often prevents unnecessary withdrawals. Over time, this protective mindset strengthens your financial position even more. Your savings stop resetting to zero, and the progress you've made begins stacking instead of constantly restarting. That's the quiet power of reaching a stronger financial base. $20,000 often becomes the point where your savings stop feeling temporary and start feeling permanent. And once you begin protecting your progress instead of rebuilding it, financial momentum becomes much easier to maintain. Sign 6. You feel less pressure to use credit cards. For many people, credit cards quietly become a financial backup plan. When cash is tight or something unexpected appears, the easiest solution often feels like swiping a card and worrying about it later. At first, that habit may seem harmless. A small balance here, a payment plan there. But over time, relying on credit can slowly create a cycle where tomorrow's income is constantly being used to solve today's problems. Once you have $20,000, that dynamic begins to change. Instead of relying on borrowed money, you have something far more powerful: options. If a situation requires money, you can handle it without automatically turning to credit. This doesn't mean credit cards suddenly disappear from your life. They can still be useful tools for convenience or rewards. The difference is that you're no longer depending on them for survival. That shift changes the psychology of spending. You begin using credit more intentionally rather than out of necessity. Purchases become decisions instead of reactions. As your savings grow, you start realizing that financial security doesn't come from having access to more credit. It comes from having money that already belongs to you. And once that realization settles in, credit cards lose the quiet control they once had over your financial life. Sign 7. Investing finally feels good instead of risky. When savings are small, investing can feel uncomfortable. Every dollar you invest might represent money you could need next week or next month. Because of that, the idea of market fluctuations can feel stressful rather than exciting. Many people hesitate to invest for this reason. They understand the long-term benefits, but emotionally it feels risky to put money into something that moves up and down. But when your savings reach a stronger level, $20,000, that perspective begins to change. With a solid financial cushion in place, you know that the money you invest doesn't need to be touched immediately. Your short-term security is already handled. That distance creates confidence. Instead of worrying about daily market movements, you start focusing on long-term growth. Investing becomes less about short-term gains and more about steady progress over time. This allows you to approach investing with patience. You begin contributing regularly, trusting the process instead of reacting emotionally to every change in the market. For many people, $20,000 becomes the point where investing finally feels comfortable. The fear of needing that money tomorrow fades, and long-term thinking takes its place. And once that mindset develops, investing stops feeling like a gamble. It starts feeling like a natural extension of the financial foundation you've already built. Sign 8. You start noticing wasteful spending more clearly. When money feels tight, spending decisions often happen quickly. The focus is usually on immediate needs, short-term convenience, or small purchases that don't seem significant in the moment. But once you have $20,000, your perspective begins to shift. You start seeing money differently because you understand the effort and discipline it took to reach that point. Every dollar in your savings represents time, patience, and consistent decisions. Because of that, you naturally become more aware of how money flows out of your life. Small habits that once seemed harmless begin to stand out. Subscriptions you rarely use, impulse purchases that add up over time, or spending patterns that don't actually improve your life start becoming more visible. This awareness doesn't mean you suddenly stop enjoying life or become overly restrictive. Instead, you begin making choices with more intention. You ask simple questions before spending. Does this actually add value? Is it worth slowing the progress you've made? Once your savings approach $20,000, that awareness becomes easier because you're no longer chasing money. You're protecting something meaningful. And that mindset naturally leads to smarter spending decisions without requiring constant effort or strict rules. Reaching $20,000 in savings is more than just hitting a financial goal. It often marks the beginning of a new way of thinking about money and a different way of approaching everyday decisions. The constant tension around finances begins to fade. Decisions become calmer. Unexpected problems feel manageable. and the pressure that once followed every financial choice slowly starts to ease. More importantly, your mindset begins to shift. You realize that if you were able to build $20,000, the next milestones are much closer than they once seemed. Saving $30, $40, or even $50,000 no longer feels distant. It begins to feel like the natural continuation of the progress you've already made. And once that perspective takes hold, saving stops feeling like a struggle and starts feeling like steady, intentional progress forward. And if you haven't reached $20,000 yet, or you're just beginning the process of saving, remember that every milestone starts with the same first step. Progress builds quietly through consistency. And over time, those small decisions begin adding up to something much larger than you expected. Keep moving forward because the habits you're building today are the same ones that eventually lead to that turning point.